I'm stuck. I'm stuck like Chuck. I'm stuck in Miami. So, before this fucking storm hits, I figure I use all my buildings amenities before it get crazy out here in Miami. Part of my hair, I need to get to the barber. I need to get a lot of shit done. I'm stuck down here in Miami. Talk to me, man. Talk to me. I talk back. What we doing? How's it looking out there? It's a cold world out here for me in Miami. Word. But you'll see what I'm trying to do. I'm still trying to be positive about the situation. You heard? I ain't got nothing else to do, so I'm working out. After this, I'm gonna dip in the pool. I'm gonna take my ass and go bunker in. You heard? But first I had to get my mind right. Ain't so many things that I could do to get my mind right. But working out is definitely one of them. Feel my pain. You heard? Mother Nature don't care if you rich, you poor, or nothing. This whole world when it's time to go down. She the biggest bitch of them all. Word up. That bitch Mother Nature crazy. You heard? What's poppin'? Talk to me. I talk busy. I gotta get a super set pop. What we talking about? Eh? Barbecue or boogaloo? Talk to me, I'll talk back. Talk to both of us. Eh? How you feeling? That's my twin brother right there. Yeah. Make him pardon me. You know I got dyslexia, don't make no jokes. Make me bring him out if you want. That's what I'm talking about. Make some jokes about my dyslexia. This nigga back here gonna slap the shit out you. You heard? Yeah, you heard him. I'ma slap the shit out you. Say it again. No, I'ma play with my brother. Play with my twin brother. I know you don't see me often. Play with my twin brother. Slap the shit out with you niggas. Told y'all. That nigga crazier than me. Been crazy than him. Been crazy to him. Ask about me. That wasn't him banging, that was me banging. Told you. Leave this crazy nigga alone. I'm trying to be humble. But if you want it, I'm here, nigga. Let me know whoever fuck with you and fuck with them niggas up. I know, bro. Chill out, bro. Just finished working out. It's your set. No, it's your set. No. I think it's my set. Yeah, it's your set, nigga. Fuck wrong with your stupid ass. Watch your mouth, nigga. I'll fuck you up on this live. Anybody know what it is to have a brother? Tell me. Tell me if you know what it is to have a brother. Fuck you, little nigga. Remember, I was born first, you little bastard. You heard? Fuck wrong with you. Don't forget, nigga. Nigga was born 2 seconds ahead of me. Talking wild shit. 2 seconds and no seconds, bitch. I'm older than you. Respect your motherfucking elders. You better stop talking to me like that, for real. I told you this shit is on live. Fuck live. Fuck IG. Nigga, I don't got no IG, no nothing, nigga. Y'all out here busting traps, nigga. You playing out here on these social media shit, nigga. I'm about that bread, nigga. You heard? Call me when it's a trap move, nigga. Fuck wrong with you. You gotta get out in the streets, dog. That shit ain't gonna help. Man, listen, man. Let me get back to my set. This nigga bugging out. That nigga's bugged. What's up with y'all? Talk to me. I talk back. You heard? Yeah. Fuck you looking at, man? Stop pointing that camera at me, man. Fuck wrong with you, nigga? He ain't gonna be happy till I fuck this nigga up. Stop pointing that fucking camera at me. Shut the fuck up. Alright, keep playing with me. What you gonna do? Keep playing with me. What the fuck you gonna do? You soft, dude. Alright. You know what? I ain't working out with you no more. I'm going upstairs. Let me get my set in. I send this slap through this live app, nigga. Slap the shit out you in North Carolina. That slap app is available, nigga. Don't play. Tell Nori, don't be worried. I'm here. He gotta relax. Tell Nori you gotta relax. You gotta relax. 5.